5 ways to engage workplace learning and development participants when they won't turn on their cameras. Stay tuned for my video about how to invite and encourage people to turn on their cameras. Available soon. Chat. Ask your participants questions and invite them to type in chat. You can also have some questions or activities where people type to everyone. Another activity could be where you invite people to ask you questions directly and privately. Or you can facilitate a paired chat activity. Reactions. Reactions are a quick and easy way to have multiple touch points with your participants. You can ask them to give you a fun emoji about how they feel about that or a green check mark when they return from break. Give a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you agree or disagree. Mic. Even off camera, you can still invite people to turn on their mics or microphones to respond to questions. Use the power of voice. Annotation. Annotation and whiteboards are a great way to engage and invite people to participate. When facilitating learning experiences, giving active opportunities to get involved can stop the boredom and distractions that can occur when the learning is only passive. Breakouts. Breakout rooms may be the time that your group does turn on their cameras because they are in a small group. However, even if they keep their cameras off, they are in a small room and can turn on their mics and have a conversation. Add variety to your learning experience and workplace training design, even if your group prefers to be off camera. Stay tuned for my future video about how to invite and encourage people to turn on their cameras. You can also watch our video about participants who are camera shy. Facilitate engaging learning experiences that turn an audience into participants. My name is Patricia Regier. Thanks for watching.